Pendukung dan keluarga sandera yang ditahan di Gaza memprotes pemerintahan Benjamin Netanyahu di Tel Aviv dan berbagi sikap skeptis mereka terhadap kunjungan PM Israel ke Washington minggu depan. Kenapa dia pergi ke sana? Apa tujuannya? Kata Ronnie Wolach. Itu tidak ada artinya bagi kami, tambahnya, ketika ribuan orang menyerukan kesepakatan penculikan untuk membawa pulang para sandera. Para pengunjuk rasa juga menyatakan dukungan mereka terhadap pembalasan di pelabuhan Hodeida di Yaman yang dikuasai Houthi, sehari setelah serangan pesawat tak berawak oleh pemberontak yang didukung Iran menewaskan seorang warga sipil di Tel Aviv. Ini adalah Timur Tengah, dan inilah yang mereka pahami, mereka memahami kekuasaan, kata seorang pengunjuk rasa.
I think that Israeli deterrence was really damaged on October 7th, and there's no really easy way to fix that. I don't think we should just respond, and revenge is not a policy. It's never a good policy, revenge. But if you see a specific military site in Yemen that you attack it and it reduces the aggressive power of the Yemeni government, then I support that.
I think you need to respond to after being an attack on Tel Aviv. Yeah, it's a bit too much. Everybody should mind their own business.
That's what they understand. Unfortunately, it's like they come, they try to kill us, and we have to kill them. But I hate it. It's not my way of living. It's not the way I'm teaching my kids. But this is the Middle East, and this is what they understand. They understand power. So I have no choice.
Probably, when we've been attacked by Yemen yesterday, the government should respond. This absolutely right. So okay, I support this action.
I think he don't have to go there. First, he have to sign the deal, and after, go to Washington. But first of all, bring them home back now.
He's trying to take the impression that he is an international diplomat, but actually he's a big failure and should go home.
Why is going there? What is the aim? What is the purpose? What is the goal of his speech there? It means nothing for us. Only if he will take the opportunity to declare upon this stage that he is going straight forward to kidnap treaty and kidnap agreement and bring the 120 left hostages in the hands of Hamas, in the hands of the terrorists, bring them home.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.